Hello one and all. In this video we are discussing about the enzyme involved in hemicellulose degradation. L-arabininases carried out hemicellulose degradation. These are the hydrolytic enzymes capable of degrading L-arabinins, including both alpha 1,3 linked arabinofuranosyl appendages and alpha 1,5 linked L-arabinofuranosyl residue of linear chain. Arabinogenesis are produced by the bacterium Clostridium falciparum, saprophytic and phytopathogenic fungi, the snail and the plants. Rumen bacteria and protozoa and sessile bacteria also produce these enzymes. Most L-arabinogeneses of fungal origin are usually secreted extracellularly into the medium in which the organism is grown, but intracellular L-arabinogeneses are also found to exist. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.